Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made yet another small red truck decor piece for a tier tray. This time I made one for Valentine's Day. What you're going to need are one of these small ornaments from the Dollar Tree last Christmas, 6 tumbling tower game blocks, a scrap piece of Dollar Tree foam core board, some conversation hearts. Yes, I found these at Dollar Tree. I found this paint pen, which I had never used before, so I'm going to use that. I took the wire and the Christmas tree off of the truck, and then with some sandpaper, I was trying to sand off the red glitter and realized that as I was sanding, I could turn my truck pink. So I took some ballet slipper chalk paint and I painted the truck, and while that was drying I took my 6 Jenga blocks and with hot glue glued them together to form a rectangle. Yeah, I use binder clips to hold my my Jenga blocks while their glue is drying. Then I needed some tires, so with black cardstock I cut out 2 1/2-inch circles with a hole punch. And then I have a heart punch, and for the white walls or hubcaps, I cut 2 hearts out of white cardstock. And then I thought it was too pink, so for the fenders, I used the silver chalk paint pen, so you can see it right there. And then once that paint was dry, I glued the tires onto the truck, and it was starting to look very Valentine-y. And then with the crimson chalk paint, I painted my rectangle. Once that was dry, with my scrap piece of foam core, I cut out a square that would fit inside of the frame as a backing. And once that was inside, I laid some conversation hearts down with some hot glue, placed them so that they looked like they were coming out of the truck. And I also used a heart behind the truck so that it wouldn't be wobbling, and I glued it all down, and that's my little project. It's looking really cute inside my tier tray, which yes has snowmen in it still. Even though I'm in Florida, I wanted to keep the spirit of winter alive just another month. I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thank you. Take care.